Today at Classic Showcase, we're going to preview a wonderful Jaguar, a 1972 XJ6 sedan, a Series 1 sedan. It's very collectible. It's very hard to find cars in this condition. This is a car that Classic Showcase has owned 2 times. We're very happy to recently purchase it back. The caretaker that's owned the car for the last few years has been a wonderful person, has taken great care of the car. So now it is in spectacular condition, one of the best examples we've ever seen. The Series 1 is a unique car. It's got the space and the luxury of what you expect in a sedan, but yet it's got quality, and the appointments of the car are just spectacular. Let me show you what I mean. Look at the lines, look at the gaps, look at the fit, look at the finish. Check out the sides of the car, how straight they are. This car is in British Racing Green with suede green interior. It's got steel wheels with the 205 70/15 tires. This car has got a magnificent interior, nice windscreen, all original glass. The Brightwork is original, and the upholstery has been redone. It's all Conley leather, very nice wood. Instruments are clean and precise. It's got low miles. The engine's been rebuilt. It's got rocker switches to operate the gauges and switches, and it's got a British Leyland AM/FM stereo radio with 4-way speaker separation. You've got bucket seats that are adjustable, center console, the alloy in the center of the dash and backed by the radio like the early E-types, original steering wheel, nice headliner, real nice interior, wood appointments on the side on the doors, very spacious, roomy car, and good performance. Back seats the same way. It's got the center cushion that slides down for an armrest, and the headliner really super clean. Of course, that was redone when the interior was redone. All the rubber, all of the Brightwork, everything's in really good condition on the car. The best part about the car, it's a Series 1 1972. Very hard to find, very sought after. Mechanically, excellent condition. AC blows ice cold. Power windows all work great. Engine's been rebuilt. It's the original engine. We have receipts for all the work that's been done. Classic Showcase did the paint. We took it down and brought it back and wet sand and buffed the entire car. The air conditioning is fitted with the modern Freon, so it's very compatible. New compressor. Brakes are in spectacular condition. And this is one of the best examples. Well, actually, this is the best example we've owned, and that's why we own it twice. This is for the discerning Jaguar collector that wants the very best. This is a fuel-injected model, so it's a really good handling car, pretty much maintenance-free. Like I said earlier, all the service has been done on a regular basis, and there's receipts documenting it. The past customer that we did the car for, he was pretty anal on everything being precise. If you're looking for an XJ6, this is the best example that we've owned and that we've ever seen.